Andre, that was a good cast.
Very good cast.
Yeah.
We got one on there, jerk. Give it a jerk. Oh, there we go. That's why you kept losing your face. Just look.
Oh wow, that was fun.
Oh, that's a nice small fish.
Baby fish.
Baby fish. No one's biting yet?
Yeah. It's also. Oh, it's like
How are you, Carlos? How many fish have you gotten?
7.
Alright. Did it dip already, Chase?
Oh, there's plastic. Oh yeah.
What happened?
Hello everyone. We are.
I
Wow.
guess it's better to buy
We got
them in bulk.
baby fish.
it's cheap.
We got baby fish. Andre.
Yeah.
Look.
That's my fifth.
See, that's his fifth.
It's a
He's my
tie.
fifth too.
Carlos is winning though.
Wow, Carlos is winning. We're tied. Me and Andre. See, look at that fish. Here is Carlos. Wow, it's in the sky though. Huh. We're fishing today.
Mommy needs
Girls,
to.
let's see.
Did you press off?
No. Okay, that's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Careful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, this is the expensive part. You know, these are about $3.45, 50 cents a container now.
So is it better to use the artificial ones then?
For different fish.
Oh,
It is
Bluegill will
sorry
bite off
time.
the artificial, but
Yeah,
not as
I'm
often.
too sorry.
If you
Yeah,
have kids
I
attached, usually
something
on-
blocking me.
Not twice.
that way the fish will
Wow,
bite
look
for sure.
In the sky,
Oh!
I see like a cloud.
Just jumped out.
A big cloud. It's a big cloud.
Chase,
It's a big cloud. See, here my colors. Oh, what is that guy doing? He's getting some. Yeah. Yeah, his name.
Whoa. Get
Like
careful,
that.
okay? Careful, Chase, careful.
Put some bait on my mouth. I'm not good at bait, so
Ah!
I need you masturbation.
Okay.
Give me masturbation.
Come on, let's get the clipper. Let's get a
So
clipper.
let's get a. We're going to get a sitter.
This again.
Mommy,
Put some on mine.
can I Mommy, can I hold?
Can you hold what?
So,
No.
Get professor.
Come on, we're gonna put on the worms.
okay, that's cool. Goodbye.
Mm.
Whoa, man. Go. Wait. Jerk it up. When it goes under. Wait for it. No, there's a fish.
Okay, I need help.
Big one. Wait for it, Chase. Wait for it. Don't move.
Ask us if he needs help. Somebody leave a water bottle.
Oh, I see it.
The eye's getting up.
It's like,
Wait, Carlos, it might have eaten the hook.
okay. No, it's coming. Watch for it, Chase. Still on. Okay, wait, Chase, wait. Jerk it up. Check your bait. I think your bait's gone.
Can you pull it up?
Hi guys, it's my 10th fish. It's a little
Get it
baby.
wrapped up.
Okay, time to go.
It's a little
How about you, Andre? How many did you get?
8.
Nice. Chase, how many did you get? 6. Okay, that's a lot.
Woo! My hands are oily and
Slimy.
ah!